Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Almighty Allah, whose bounties are unbounded, whose mercy is unlimited, whose benevolence is everlasting, whose being is eternal, whose love is our life, whose worship is our iman. I am Tabassum Mughal and I am a student of 9th standard at Jamia Zia High School, Punch. Today, I am very thankful to Teach India Foundation, Mr. Salman Khan sir and Jamia Zia High School, Punch, to give us an opportunity to enhance our communication skills, personality and public speaking skills. Today, I am here to perform a speech on hijab. You all tell me the room is full of cheap white marble, and if there's also one that is pure and red, sure enough that it needs a gel box for its protection. Well, if I am that pure and red marble, my hijab is natural work that protects me. Hijab does not just cover up the girl's beauty, but in fact, it displays her strength, commitment, and which is built out of love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some people claim that wearing hijab is going back to the prehistoric period. Well, that's not true. Such people fail to realize that actually being half naked means going back to the Stone Age. Very often this question arises that why do Muslim women wear hijab? Let me answer this question. The beauty of women is for their husband, their man, and not for the mankind. My dear sisters, when your hijab is seen through, when the scarf on your head is covered, but your hair is showing, when your hair is covered, but your ears are showing, or when both your head and ears are covered, but you are flaunting your body with skin-tight clothes and still thinking that you are wearing hijab, then my dear sisters, you are truly mistaken. That is not hijab. That really is not your hijab. You know what hijab is? Hijab is an act of obedience to the Creator, an act of submission to the Lord, an act of honor and dignity, an act of simplicity and purity. My dear brothers, coming to you, where is your hijab? Where is your iman? Why do you look from women to women instead of loving your gaze? My dear brothers, you should know that Islam treats both men and women equally. Don't forget that the hijab was first made compulsion for men before women. All the religious scriptures talk of women covering themselves, as the Bible says that women should be dressed with severity. And it is also mentioned that if women does not cover her hair should be shaved off. Haven't you seen the images of Mother Teresa covering her head? Haven't you seen the images of Mother Mary, Mother of Jesus, covering her head? It is mentioned in the Vedas too, that women should cover their head.